if you like LS swaps, you'll like what we got going on here. So it's a Rx8. I bought off a buddy. His kid had it. The engine is blowing. So an LS swap on her. 200 shot of nitrous. Really dig the nitrous outlet setup. Of course, it's a racer. You got to have your nitrous purge line. I'm gonna have one over there, one over there. Finally got the harness all finished up here. Obviously the header doesn't go there. We had to do a little bit of TIG work on her to get her to fit right, and we're doing a wire tuck too as well at the same time. It's been pretty good actually. It hasn't been too tough to do. Might do another one after this yet. What do we got here for parts for it? We've got Brian Thule cam, and valve springs, and lifters, high flow oil pump. We've got chain set. We've got mass airflow sensor, 160 thermostat, new O2 sensors, oil pickup that we haven't put in yet because we're just test fitting the oil pan. We've got the old oil pump that's worn out, and a balancer down there, rad and coilover suspension. And we've got here 2 10-pound nitrous outlet bottles because we're doing a lot of purging. You gotta have it. It's Buddy Kurt's car here, another LS swap. It's LS3. Spent a ton of money on this girl. So it's LS3, all fresh. There's a rod, fast intake. There's a brand new T56 in it, and 102 throttle body. He's got the Phi-Tech system in here. Pretty cool. Pumped to see this one done. I haven't worked on this for probably 2 months. She's a little dusty in the shop here, but slowly getting there. Can't wait to finish it. That one too would both be pretty cool. They're done. What a mess. Good? We are now. Ready? Yep. I'm in your space. Ray. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, all right, well, here we're at. Slowly getting everything together here. Got the alternator's gonna go back on. I kind of messed up. I ordered Camaro accessories, but a Corvette alternator. So just gotta fix that. Other than that, the header's back on it, the tranny on it, flex plate, converter, and then we'll have to, when the header comes down, build the exhaust kind of to wrap around and tee, because we're gonna go back as a single and do all it again. There's not much room back there. Over here, I tested the ECU yesterday, hooked up my HP tuners, made sure I could read the ECU and everything because I made this harness, so I'm not really sure how much I trust myself. But there was no fires and it worked, so that's good. Check engine light and everything cycles the way it's supposed to. We get the rad back in. Hopefully this will be the last test fitment you can see on the wall we have. There's only about 4 or 5 we can find on Google to compare to. But hopefully get that. We had to lengthen the steering column. A couple notches in the frame here and there. Make a new bracket for the ABS module to lift it up and out of the way. Get this back in here. We're getting close here. I mean, it's gonna be all the small shit that slows us down, but little bits at a time here. Got the throttle cable sorted out. That was a bit of a rigmarole, but whatever. Got her. Got the coilovers on it too, but it's in the air right now, as you can't tell. But we did get the stance going a little better. There you go, kind of see it there. So anyway. Slowly getting there. Got my racer wing on, different wheels. Tweaking this header once again. Got to figure out an intake for it. Yesterday we were playing with the ignition wiring. So we want to use a factory ignition switch, so checking that out. Not too much. This will start looking a little different under the hood here, probably today. I got the nitrous system and purge hooked up. Relays. I wanted a spoiler that said racer, so there it is. Rocket Bunny spoiler. Obnoxious. Oh, of course. Won't be nitrous or racer without a couple of 10-pound bottles in the battery in the back here.